right, so Lindsay and Ryan, there'll be many bumps in the road. Your love for each other will overcome any obstacles you encounter. Ryan, you're a great guy. I like you. If I didn't, I'd let you know. I'm glad you're my son-in-law. Lindsay, I love both of you. Congratulations. Salute.
You're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. You're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh. 'Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. Oh. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky full of stars.
Reverend Curlin.
Getting emotional. Huh?
So what do I do?
How you doing, honey?
Have a seat.
There is not enough paper to express my feeling towards you. Your kindness and selflessness to strangers every day amaze me, but it's just a normal day in your life. You have made me a better version of myself, unknowingly so. For that, I thank you. I vow to always protect you, cherish you, to have the patience that love demands. I vow to speak when words are needed and just to be there when they are not. It's a dog. I love you. Look at her. How did you do that?